Hey coffee lovers, welcome back. Today, we're doing something a little different and a lot more fun, an espresso flight tasting featuring 3 different coffee origins. Just like a wine tasting, we'll compare flavors, aromas, and bodies side by side. If you've ever wondered how origin affects espresso taste, this simple at-home tasting is the perfect place to start. Let's dive in. Ingredients and equipment: fresh espresso beans from 3 different origins, for example, Ethiopian, Colombian, and Sumatran filtered water espresso machine, grinder 3 small cups or shot glasses, tasting spoons, sparkling or filtered water for palate cleansing, notebook, optional for tasting notes. Directions: start by grinding each coffee fresh, using the same grind size for consistency. Pull 1 espresso shot from each origin using the same dose and extraction time to keep the comparison fair. Line up the 3 shots side by side. Begin by observing the crema, color, and aroma of each espresso. Take a small sip of the first shot. Notice the acidity, sweetness, bitterness, body, and aftertaste. African origins often have bright, fruity, or floral notes. Latin American beans may taste balanced, nutty, or chocolaty. Asian origins are often earthy, bold, and full-bodied. Cleanse your palate with water between each tasting. Repeat the process and compare your notes. Which origin feels brightest? Which is smoothest? Which has the deepest body? This simple espresso flight transforms your daily coffee into a rich sensory experience. And that's how you create your own espresso flight tasting at home. 7. Exploring different origins helps you discover what flavors you truly love in your espresso. If you enjoyed this tasting guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coffee education and creative recipes. Comment below. Which origin would you choose first? Until next time, happy brewing. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.